Hey my revivers, welcome and welcome to another backdrop in my home. And this is the fireplace that I've been telling you guys about. That is a real burning fireplace, not electric or anything like that. So yeah, I wanted you guys to see it up front and personal, and I thought this is an awesome backdrop. And you guys see that I kept the lights in, that I showed you guys how I spruced up these Z gallery vases over the holidays. I end up keeping the lights in them because I love the ambient look they give. So yes, and guys, what else do y'all see? What else do y'all see? Bam! Yes, y'all remember I did the haul where I sat on my couch and gave y'all another backdrop of something different? Those are the actual burlap twigs or whatever you want to call them that I got at Kirkland's during their 75% off Christmas sale. And I think I paid like $2 for each one of them, and they were originally like, I want to say $7 or $8, something like that, something around the lines of that, but they were so worth it. And they're in my favorite vase. When I say my favorite vase, one of my favorites that my husband purchased for me, and this vase is like 3 foot tall. It's really nice. And I just think the colors and everything just work so well. And I thought it would be perfect right in front of my fireplace. So that's where they are. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys lots of different ways how I make my house look classic and beautiful, eclectic, which is my style, on a frugal budget, and how I do things frugally. If you are new to my channel, come on to be a part of my Reviver family. Over here is all positivity, and over here all we do is revive our circles and our areas, and anything we touch, we want to bring life to it, nothing negative. So that's what we all about over here. That's first off. Second off, if you are new and did not know that this home that I'm in is a home that we inherited and a home that we renovated, like gutted it out and started everything from scratch. So this fireplace did not exist. It was customly put in this area, and I have videos to show all the process of where we at this far. So go check out my renovation videos, how I did my floors, and tips on how you can do yours, and what I've done to upgrade this home, which was my husband's grandfather home. So yeah, I don't want to keep rambling. Just a little bit about me. I'm a frugal mom. I try every way possible to save my coin. Right now, I'm in the process of trying to figure out what I want to do with my girls' room, and I've been buying little stuff, bits and pieces here and there. So I decided to get some goodies from Ikea, which we don't have one very close. I think it's in Canada, but it's like an hour and 40 minutes away. And with the weather, how it's been, we wasn't trying to go over there. So I went and ordered some things online, and I'm going to share those things with you. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you share my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and thumbs up for more hauls, and thumbs up for more frugal videos that I share. And let's get into this box. This box is huge. Come on back. Let me show you how big this box is if you didn't see it on the thumbnail. Yeah, this box is huge. So my baby's going to help me. I'm going to open her up, and we're gonna get into it. This is not a razor, this is my eyebrow razor. See, this razor is not good for this now here. This is really sharp. I cut myself. Hold on, guys. This is crazy. There's no guard on this. Put that up. All right, so I just think they just must have packaged this very well. Yeah, with all sorts of stuff. Yeah, take that. Yeah, that's what they did. They just put extra unnecessary. Well, I ain't gonna say, well, I was about to fling this, and it's something in here. Oh my gosh. So what you can start doing is taking the stuff out of packaging. Oops, I need that razor. Let me take my ring off because I don't want to mess my ring up trying to open this stuff. So, item number 1. I got more than 2. Oh, I should have split it out. Is this, which I paid $1.41 for this. They say it's a carafe for like when you have guests over, you can put orange juice, apple juice, wine, or whatever you decide inside of it. I may use it as a vase. I don't know, but I thought it was pretty cute and probably can be used when I entertain my guests. So this was, I don't see a name on it, but I can show it to you just in case you're interested. And it was $1.49. Nice and pretty. Can't beat it. So there you go. And then item number 2 was this pendant that I got for my girl's room. And this is what it looks like when it is open. And I got 2 of these. And I'm thinking about dyeing them like a mint green, which is her colors. And then RIZZY'S a light pink. So those are the colors that I may be dyeing these. And if I decide to dye them, I will be sharing that process with you guys. And it just shows you how they are put together on the back. So that is that. Then we needed some more. Yeah, when you order online, isn't it beautiful? We needed some more silverware, so yeah. I ordered the 20-piece set, and this was $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. And this is what they look like. These look like baby spoons and forks, but you only get 4 forks. Yeah, 4 of each. Yeah, so that's what they look like. And I didn't realize they were gonna look like this. But I guess for $7.99 for 20 pieces, you can't beat it. So yeah, got those. And guys, if you did not see my how to DIY labels in your home without a DIY maker or anything like that, I had showed you these in a Ikea haul several months ago. I showed you these. And when I was getting ready to transfer my spices and stuff into these empty ones, several of them broke. I think like 3 of them broke. I was so hurt. So I'm getting ready to open these so I can show you. I love these spice jars. I love the black with the clear glass. And I can put a label on them and they are so pretty. And the reason I like these is because they have a big opening on one side and then they have the sprinkle open on the other side. So that's what they look like. And you can put any label, a white label, a clear label, whatever on these. And these right here for 4 of them was $3.99, which, I mean, I like it. The quality, they stay locked. Like you literally have to pull on it really good to get the actual tops to come off. So they're not like some of the seasoning spices, the spice jars you get, some of the caps don't stay down and they're kind of weak and loose. You know, you don't have that problem. So I got 2 of these, this set here and the one that I just opened. So I got those, which was $3.99 a piece. And guys, I don't like what I tell you. One thing I can tell you I don't like is the fact that, what baby? Oh, Ikea gives you a birthday $15 off for your birthday, but you can't use it online. You have to go in the store. And I thought that was kind of corny, especially when they have online purchasing. So whatever. I got all excited, like, oh, I got $15 off. And then when I read, I'm like, why it doesn't give me an option to put this code in? Cannot be used online. And the free meal they give you for your birthday cannot be used online either. So couldn't use that. Then I got some more of this. And guys, y'all remember I showed you this in the Ikea haul. These are things that I needed to continue organizing my house and to make my house more comfortable and easier to maneuver around and all that good stuff. So I will be putting some of this in the freezer, in the refrigerator to line my shelves. And it is just a clear, thick liner. You see it? And it has like perforated little bumps on it. That way nothing can slide or move around, which is awesome. I still got 1 more row left. So I'm gonna do the kitchen drawers. I'm gonna be doing an organization video on my junk drawer, and I'm gonna be doing the kitchen, the refrigerator glass shelves. I'm gonna be lining that. So when I take this out, I can just wash this down instead of having to pull the shelves out all the time. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with that. So stay tuned for that. Then I seen these bad boys. This is called the Dopa, and this is a actual, I'm opening this up. This is an actual shower mat. It is so hard to find really long shower mats. So your girl seen these, and I told my husband, he was like, just grab 2. And I'm glad he said that, because you know what? You ever get something and be all excited about it, when you go to get more, there's no more? This thing, the reviews on this was amazing. The suction cups are all the way through it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Then it has this, which I love. Remember the video I told you that I did with you guys on tips? Go check out tips and tricks for your home. Tips and tricks for decor or something like that for your home. I show you how to keep your shower mats nice and clean and free of mold. When you let them sit in the shower, they get moldy from the water and no air getting to them underneath the mat. So this part starts to get moldy and nasty. So this has a ring garnet. So every time someone takes a shower, they can take it off and put it up on the little hook to let it dry for the next person. This is made very, very well. And it's a light gray, which is perfect for our bathroom. And your girl got 2 of those. And these were actually $7, but if you're an Ikea family member, they were $4.99. So I'm like, you know what, let me grab them. So I got those 2. Then, oh, this is kind of big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. I got this utensil holder, but I didn't get this to hold utensils on the counter, which I may now because I didn't realize it was this big. I should have looked at the measurements. I should have probably got the one that was a little shorter, but I got this to go on the sink by the dish mat, so that way I can put my forks and spoons and stuff in them, because I don't have a big dish rack. I don't want that big old dish rack on my counter taking up space. So I wanted to get this, and my husband thought it was a good idea as well to get this to put a forks and spoons and stuff when we're washing them over in the corner, and then when we're done just flip it over so that way it doesn't rust out and get all nasty. And this was only $2.99. The one that was a little bit shorter was $2.49. And it doesn't have a name, but this is the number if you're interested in it. If y'all can see it, can y'all see that? Yeah, that's the number. So I got that. Then these are not the same as the one I got already. They just have a hook in them. I showed you guys some hangers, and these were hangers that go get one of them flat hangers out my closet, because these are totally different. These are totally different. I hate when they switch up stuff, but I guess it's not bad. You get 10 hangers. There's 10 hangers in here for 99 cents. So these are the hangers. Well, I will say I love the fact that they are very slim. Not paying attention, but you guys do not realize when you put hangers in your closet, just think of 2 of these hangers is about the size of a regular hanger, almost 3, depending on what kind of hanger you have. These take up less space, and this allows you to put more stuff in your closet. I had some that I purchased before, and I was really excited about them, but yeah, they done really did. Look at this. This is totally not the same hanger. I hate when they do this. This is the original hanger I got from Ikea. The good part about these is they have the hooks on them, so I will say that's a good part. These have like this type of hook on them. These were 99 cents as well. So I'm kind of upset, but I guess when they're on the rack, you won't be able to tell that they're too much different than the other. But yeah, let me see how they feel. These are really, and they're really good, like bendy wise. They're not gonna break or pop or whatever. I just wish that they were still this big instead of this size, but I end up getting 4 of those, because I think when I got the original ones that I showed you, I think I only got 2 or 3 or something like that. So I have 40 hangers, and I paid $3.96 for all of these. So that can make the closet uniform. Then, oh, another light for my other daughter. Got another light for her. And then I got these, and this is it, guys. I seen these and I said, you know what, I gotta have it. My hubby and I like to eat in the bed a lot, or have our food in bed. These trays right here were $1.98, and these are big, and they are firm. They're like a frosted color. It's not really see-through, but it's not really opaque. And I end up getting 4, because I figure once we get our little TV room and family room together, if we want to eat downstairs in our recliners, because that's what I plan on doing. I don't know if I'm going to do all recliners or not. We can have these, and these, or they can serve me food, or I can serve my husband food, or if we have company over and we want to sit in a chair, we can have something to sit on our lap and eat out of. So I got 4 of these, and these don't have a name as well, but I'm gonna show you the number. So if you want to order these, that's what the number is. And that is I believe everything is out of this box. that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to thumbs up and share this video. I'm sorry I made this video so long, but I like to give details when possible. So that is it. And stay tuned for more organization videos because I have a lot coming from my kitchen and some more deep cleaning. And I have some great cleaning videos that I've edited that I'm going to be getting out to you. So talk to you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. If you were looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.